guys, welcome back to my cooking channel Into Cooking Solo. So last week I just came back from Vietnam and I went to a city called Vung Tau, a coastal city. In Vung Tau I tried the street food called Banh Khot. It's actually like a pancake. It's interesting because it's similar to our Indonesian food called serabi. So the main ingredients is rice flours and coconut milk. So the first thing we need to do is to mix the rice flour. It's about 50 grams of rice flour, and then coconut milk about 20 milliliter. So we mix them, and then we're going to add 1 egg. And then a little bit of water. So you need to use warm water. And we're going to mix it up. Consistency of the batter. So we're going to leave this for about 15 minutes, 20 minutes. For the sauce, we're going to make a fresh one. It's actually quite simple. You need lemon, garlic, chili paddy, fish sauce, salt of course, and then sugar. So we're going to mix all of this. So until you have this consistency of the chili paste, you add the fish oil, about 1 tablespoon, and then apple vinegar, about 1 tablespoon as well. And then you add pressed lime juice. So we're going to start cooking. We're gonna use, usually we should use a takoyaki mold, but I don't have it, so I use cupcake mold. So we add olive oil. Make sure that the pan is hot enough. So, and then we pour the batter, rice flour batter. About 1.5 tablespoon or spring onion, and then to make it more interesting, I add the fried tempeh. Yeah, it's very Indonesian. So we're gonna add shrimp, small shrimp. Two, one. It's up to you. And then we're gonna pour another coconut milk into to make it more even tastier, right? like to put some natural sweet into the dish, so I'm try to combine with fresh fruit. So I use mango. So the taste will be salty, sweet, sour, and tasty. So there you have it, Banh Khot with mango chili sour sauce. Let's give it a try, okay? Add the chili and the mango top. Sweet, sour, salty.